Alright, on the way to El Mirage. Way down there, we can hardly see, is the lake bed. You see all that dust everywhere. Nice summer day. Is it second day of summer now? First day of summer.
Oh, I don't care.
It's nice and cool out today. It's not 105 or 110. It feels like about 70.
Yeah, 60.
This is thermometer's day.
I don't have it.
You don't have a thermometer in this vehicle? It's nice and cool when you open the window up. Yeah. Anyway, that's what we look like. Didn't used to have all these buildings up here before. Now you'll come every year. Oh well, we got a 20-mile drive. Actually, that's about 10 miles away down there. Okay, we're getting closer. See the dust devils out there on the lake bed. Oh, I don't know if you can stick it up. I don't know if you can see the camera. Down there in the lake bed, you can see the dust blowing out there. Yeah, still got a few miles to go. You can see how long the lake bed is though. It's from over there all the way over there.
What's the length of the course?
The course is 1.3 racetrack, and then you got another half mile after that before it ends, roughly.
Yeah.
The lake bed's 4.5 miles long, I think. Like a mile and a half wide at the widest. Not that wide in the center though, just down to very narrow. But yeah, ways to go. Down in the valley. Yeah, it used to be all vacant up here. I don't know what that big white building over there. I've never seen that before.
Start making weed.
Those are pot places.
I suspect it is.
Nobody makes money out here anymore. California's income now is pot.
You got places like that in Death Valley, right before you go into Death Valley.
Yeah. Could
Maybe
be.
something else. I don't know.
Big ass buildings. Alright, we're getting closer. I went too far up the gravel road. We passed the lake bed, but there it is down there. But we got a lot of Jeep area up here we didn't know about. Yeah, it goes all the way up the mountains behind us. There's the road we came in down there. Way up here in the top of the mountain here. So that's the lake bed we're running down. Way over there is where we're going to, in that back corner way down there. And the racetrack, can't see where it ends at. They're obviously not running because there's no dust. What time is it? 9, 10 o'clock? They should be running. Where are they? I don't see anybody making passes. But yeah. Yeah, they should be going in the line should be right about there. Yeah, I don't see squat being going on. Oh well, it is what it is. So when you see when it says West Lake, was it West? Turn for west at the end of the lake or whatever.
Yeah, there was a turn back there.
Turn there.
I think we're going to turn there.
That's the middle of the lake bed.
Maybe there's another sign that says, well, take
Well, this was the only paved road, kind of we call this paved road. They got a lot of campsites we went through here. It's a pretty nice area for being out here. See the mountain up there? All the road you go up and down that mountain. That's normally the mountain we see when we come in, is that one.
Yeah.
And it's even more behind us. It's a lot better than that one. That's for dirt bikes there.
That's the one where they have camps, not camps, but these groups that come out and they actually teach people how to ride.
Yeah, that's my old stuff there. Behind us is more.
You'll see a whole group of like
more generic stuff, but yeah, like I said, I'm not used to never been up here before. We came in from way down there, that long road that goes like 30 miles that way. Way out there. Oh, we're working our way down. We'll be back. We appear to be on the correct road. The lake bed is along over there now. We were way the hell up in those mountains over there.
Roads that cut down to the lake.
They don't label these roads very well. We got within 50 feet of the lake bed and they made a turn and come back out here. They shut off the access. But, anyway, somewhere around here we're going to get over there. All those campers over there where we're going to. But I still don't see anybody making passes, which is kind of weird. That's the finish line over there. Oh well, working our way to bed. Alright, finally getting down the lake bed. Yeah, somebody just made a run to the dust. Going down the starting line down here where all the tech area is at. Yeah, follow the dust cloud, that's where the track is. That's the boundary right here, so a quarter mile that way is the all racing area. Stay within those cones when you're racing, you get in trouble. Yeah, seeing race cars finally. That's a good sign. You're seeing race vehicles. Alright, working our way down.